Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you here how you started to use community component properties, and this is going to be about to have here something to start to know whether it's ready to be available or not, to have a certain ways that this is still to be really satisfied right here on the way that we can actually use when the progress is still to be really available through the way that is still to be about to have it over the place where we actually started to use ever the moment that we can actually use it when this can be really satisfied with that way that is still to be helping you in the progress to use its properties, so that as you can see you can have actually to use that plugin and have a component properties. I have just really started to have many kind of components. You can actually, if you see here the first component that I have done, which is really rectangle, you can click on this component, and then as you can see you can have a certain ways to have layout, appearance, and fill, and position. Every single thing is beyond these properties. You can actually use it when this everything is really available.